morning everyone. Welcome again to another episode of Sildenafil. Today, we're going to tackle about Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids.
Newtonian fluids. Newtonian fluid is a simple fluid in which the state of stress at any point is proportional to the time rate of the strain at that point, wherein the proportionality constant is viscosity. Viscosity is an internal property of fluid that offers resistance to flow. Non-Newtonian fluids. Non-Newtonian fluid is a type of fluid whose flow properties differ in any way from those of Newtonian fluids. A non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid whose viscosity is variable based on applied stress.
Let's have an experiment. Which among these fluids is a Newtonian or non-Newtonian fluid? Is it letter A, B, C, D, or E? Let's test each glass for their viscosity. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Obviously, the one in glass A is the Newtonian fluid, which is the most common type of Newtonian fluid, water. The water is dyed with purple just to beautify with the other glasses. And the rest of glass B, C, D, and E are non-Newtonian fluids. There are two types of non-Newtonian fluids, the time-dependent and the time-independent Newtonian fluids. On glass B, a thixotrophic fluid, a time-dependent fluid. Thixotrophic fluid displays its decrease in viscosity over time at a constant shear rate. This is one of the most common type of a thixotrophic fluid, which is a lotion. Rather, in glass D, the inverse of thixotrophic fluid is the rheopectic fluid. Rheopectic fluid displays an increase in viscosity with increased shear rate. Some examples of rheopectic fluid are quicksand, gravy, and this a gypsum paste, which is bought on markets. Rather, on the other end, glass D and E are the time-independent fluids. Glass B is the shear thinning fluid or is pseudoplastic. This displays decrease in viscosity with increasing shear rate. Some examples of which are lava, ketchup, and whipped cream. Of course, we can't touch lava, I don't want to touch it, so we tested a ketchup. On the other end, glass D is a shear thickening fluid or a dilatant fluid, which displays increasing viscosity with increasing shear rate. Sometimes rheopectic and shear thickening fluid or the dilatant fluid are interchanged.
This is the most common type of non-Newtonian fluid, an oobleck. Oobleck is a type of dilatant fluid or the shear thickening fluid. Observe. But once you touch it slowly, incredible hawk. It's like mucus, colored it green. See? Amazing. See you next time on Sildenafil. Goodbye.